Here we are at 142 Shaw Avenue. We're on the garage side, and we've already ripped off the red asphalt siding with kind of a cork board behind it. And we see a lot of damage. I've already repaired the bottom here. Had to just rip out all the junk and then start putting in some hemlock and then a piece of pine over top to fill in. I also caulked the bottom so ants and stuff can't go up through there anymore, but I can caulk a little bit more there, I see. And then I need to rip more out here, take that top board off, that's pretty much a goner, and then test any of these other ones, pull out any junk in here that I can get out. And then we've already done this side. You see we got it really trimmed off nice here. I would have put more overhang, but we're limited by the tin was already on the roof, which does need to get pulled off and remove the shingles and then put back on, but it's still going to be the same amount of tin. So we had to live with that. Our fence is going to go down through here. It's going to be kind of tight, but it'll look good. So after much thought, we've decided the garage door, it's in really bad disrepair. You can see it's, I don't know if it got hit, strange things on it. Corner coming right out. So it's really shifted. So what we're going to do is we're going to put like a kind of a barn board, but they're not barn board, or barn doors. Might use some barn board type stuff up here. We're going to do, after we repair this, we'll do some design here in the middle. But down here we have 4 doors that were given to us, took them out of a house that was going to get tore down. 2 of them, I can't remember where the other 2 came from. They're more like screen doors. So we're going to hinge all 4 of them together, or two and two together, meet in the middle, and they have some windows in them. And then we'll start tearing this garage door apart probably next trip. But for now, the garage door can come down over top of them or behind them, because these will go here on the front. So that's the plan. So it's time to get ripping off and repairing, and then I can start doing my design here. Amy's going to design it out in the house this morning, so it'll go right here in the middle, whatever she comes up with, and then I got to do the repair first. Okay, let's get to it.